Good day, Mapuans! Welcome to Sir Rizal Monument here at Toll Plaza of Calapan City, Oriental Mindoro. I am Justin Ross de Castro, a marine engineering student. Come and explore with me as I delve to the history of our national hero and his relevance in the 21st century. This monument was built to commemorate our national hero, Jose Rizal. And as you can see, he is writing, which shows how he fought for liberty and justice for the Philippines during his time. And also included in the monument is Rizal's life summary, stating that he was born on June 19, 1861 at Calamba, Laguna. He mastered many fields, like he is an ophthalmologist. He is the best eye specialist in Southeast Asia during that time. Also, he is the famous novelist, a poet, and a painter. And in the last part of the summary, he's been called the first Filipino. As you can see, people still remember and treasure Rizal by celebrating his birthday and putting flowers on his monument, which shows that in 21st century, he is still important and relevant.
Para po sa akin ay opo. Kasi po si Rizal po ay ang ating national hero at malaki po yung naging part niya sa history ng Pilipinas po. Parang kapag si Rizal kasi yung nagbigay sa atin na, nag-prove ng importance ng education sa bilang tao. So, kapag as a teacher na, parang ituturo ko sa mga estudyante ko yung importansya ng edukasyon para sa ikaw ulit na bilang isang tao at para na rin sa bayan. Ako po ay magsa-second year po. Na-take na po namin yung Rizal no first year. So, nung napag-aralan ko po siya, para pong, nung nalaman ko po yung buhay niya, kung ano po yung mga kaya niyang gawin, parang nag-serve po siyang inspiration po sa akin. Parang, ay, ang dami niyang alam, ganun, sobrang talino niya. Pero, hindi naman po kasi dadami yung kaalaman niya, hindi dadami yung knowledge niya kung hindi siya masipag. Parang yun po yung sa akin na, ay, nakaka-inspire naman tong si Rizal. Hindi lang pala siya basta national hero. Kumbaga, deserve niya talaga yung title na national hero. So, yun po yung naging tulong ng kaalaman sa akin about kay Rizal. Naging inspiration po siya.
During the monument of Rizal, it felt inspirational. Hearing the answers of the interviewees, I learned that Rizal is not just our national hero. He does not only inspire others just because he is the hero, but because he is a talented and an amazing individual. Seeing that people still commemorate Rizal through celebrating his birthday and some flowers are in his monument made me feel happy. It is a reflection that Filipinos do not forget and will be forever grateful of what Rizal did. As for me, being a marine engineering student and as a future marine engineer, the knowledge I gained in the life and works of Rizal serves as an inspiration for me. Rizal's amazing personality makes me want to thrive more on the field I've chosen, especially that he is a traveler. We can relate to as a marine engineer. He gained knowledge and experience through traveling, and that is what I am looking forward when I become a marine engineer. Taking this subject awakened the nationalism sleeping inside me. Every lessons and informations about Rizal and remarkable, especially the saying, ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. And I am one of that hope. I think I can honor our national hero by just remembering him and sharing what I've learned in this subject and be the hope that he wants us to be.
Consumatum est!